In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Excel document into your Wix website. This is an excellent way to share data, charts, or other Excel content directly on your site, creating a more interactive and informative experience for your visitors. Whether you're a business owner looking to display financial data, or a teacher wanting to share a detailed spreadsheet with your students, embedding your Excel document is straightforward and effective. To get started first, open your Wix page editor. This is where you'll make all the necessary changes to your website. You should see a menu bar on the left-hand side of your editor. Here is where the magic happens. Look for the media icon. It looks like a small picture or camera. This icon is your gateway to uploading and embedding various media files, including Excel documents, onto your site. Go ahead and click on the media icon. This will open up a new window that lists all your current media. To add a new file, look for another icon within this window that says Upload Media. Clicking this will open a dialog box that allows you to choose your specific Excel file from your computer. Depending on your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac, navigate through your folders to locate the Excel file that you wish to upload. Once you've found it, simply select it and click Open or Choose, depending on your interface. After successfully uploading your file, it's automatically added to your Wix Media folder. You might see a small thumbnail displaying that your document has uploaded successfully. From here, you can drag and drop this file directly onto your page. It's as easy as clicking on it and dragging it over to the area where you'd like it to be displayed. As you do this, you'll notice guidelines appearing on your editor screen. These guides help you align and position your file precisely on your page. Feel free to move it around, adjust its size, and settle on what looks best for your site layout and design. Remember, you want your Excel document to be perfectly integrated into your web page, providing a seamless experience for your visitors. The flexibility that Wix provides in moving and resizing this embedded media makes it a powerful tool for customization. Take your time to review the placement and appearance of the document on your page. Don't hesitate to make adjustments. Once you're happy with its position and look, save the changes to your website. Your visitors can now interact with the Excel content directly on your web page. Congratulations, you've successfully embedded an Excel document into your Wix site. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that your website benefits from the added functionality and engagement this feature offers. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional tips on optimizing your website.